All right. Hi, how are you?
I am fine, madam. And how about you?
I'm also good, sir. Thank you for asking. You seem to be out.
No, ma'am. I am sitting under open sky on the terrace.
All right. Okay. Is it hot? Is it hot where you are?
Yeah, very hot.
Yeah, because yes, I mean I can read. I'm in
It's
Delhi and it's 40 degrees Celsius here.
yes, I'm in Jalgaon and here it is above 40, 42, 43.
I can tell, sir. Somehow I can tell by the sunlight. Yeah. All right. Um. So how was your day, sir? How is it going?
Uh, Today's day was quite busy. I was continue working on my mobile because I had a online work and I do it on only on my mobile because I don't have any computer. So
Okay.
I did only on.
All right. Okay. So it was a hectic day.
Yeah,
All right. Okay.
2 p.m. I was working on
Wow.
2 p.m.
Okay. And how do you like to spend your weekends generally?
Generally, weekends spend watching movies or reading some books
Okay. Is there a book
at
that
home.
you're reading
Yeah.
currently?
Uh, Recently, I read Rich Dad Poor Dad, and nowadays I'm reading one book. Its name is Gudek Shah, I think.
What, sir?
One of my friends, Gudek Shah, Gudek Shah.
Okay. All right. What is
Uh,
it about? I've
it's
never
a,
heard
like
of it.
a Dhyan Mudra. We never see like God, Krishna, and uh, Vishnu, and
Okay.
so they never slept. They only sitting and they slept by their chanting mantras and like that. This is called as a Godeksha process. So
How do you
nowadays
spell it,
I'm
sir?
reading that book. Yes,
How do you spell it? What is the spelling?
uh, Gudekshesha.
Mm-hmm.
Godeksha.
Mm. All
Recently
right.
I
Okay.
started. I think 4 5 pages I read it.
Hmm. All right. Okay.
How how to control on our sleep and how to sleep means now I am sitting and I want to sleep in 10 minutes, so I will close my eyes and I will control my thoughts. All these topics related in that book.
Mm-hmm.
Hmm.
All right. So can you control your sleep, sir? How can one control their sleep?
Nowadays I reading book means I read only 4 5 pages, and it is not a process of one day or 1 week or 1 month or 1 year. I think he is a engineer, and he control his sleep, and he never uh, sleep lying on the ground uh, from 20 years. He only sit and sleep over whole night, only sitting, and he did it.
All right.
He narrate. I think he took the 20 years. No, sorry, not 20. Uh, 12 years. He take all the process for learning.
Yes, yes. Wow, because sometimes I want to, like, I'm very tired, but I don't want to sleep because I have a lot of work, but I cannot work, and then ultimately I do go to bed. And I wish I could control that.
Yes, sir. They told like, if you are busy there and if you don't have time in your weekend, so they take seminars or take online classes on the whole night. They guide over the Zoom meeting. Till two, I didn't join any meeting, but my one of friend who gave me that book, she told me that if you want to join an online session, and they tell us all online process what to do and what to do not. So
Okay.
once we control on our thoughts, it will very easy. Means if we do only 10 or half hours meditation with that, so our day will also fresh without sleeping.
All right. Well, I think I
Yeah,
might attend the seminar because I need to lessen my sleep. I want to sleep for less hours.
actually, I want to call him for take the book, and I want to show you.
Oh, all right. I hope he does come here.
He
All right.
went out.
All right. I thank you so much, sir. I really appreciate it. Um, I want to correct you for one thing. In a sentence, you said one of my friend who gave me the book. So it is called one of my friends. Okay.
Okay, one of my friends.
Whenever you use the phrase, you're talking about one out of many people. So that is why one of my
Yeah.
friends gave me the book.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. All right.
Yes.
All right, sir. Now, what do you want to do in this session, sir? Is there anything in specific that you want to learn that I can help you with?
There are many areas where I want to work, but especially I want to speak fluently, no matter what type of mistake I do. I want to speak on topic whenever I try it myself. Now I think I will uh, speak, and I will make a video and I will upload it on the YouTube.
Mm-hmm.
When I think I think in my mind and I speak in my mind, it goes well. But when uh, comes in on recording,
Mm-hmm.
I'm not. It is not possible for me. I in the situation my mind goes blank, and what to do in that situation? It is my problem because I have topic. I have a
Yeah.
word, but how to speak in front of the camera because it's a camera. It's not a human being. So how to
So
record
when
and
you say
how
camera, when you say camera, do you mean like a video session like this, or just recording yourself?
recording myself. Now I'm speaking with you. Okay, now you are
Yes,
correcting me
very
whenever.
conveniently.
Yes. Okay. Yes, but when I uh, try to speak in front of the camera on the particular topic, okay. So in that
Yes.
situation, I thought if I speak wrong, if I do any wrong situation or wrong spell, so what to do? Who will correct me?
Sir,
So
I have to be very honest with you. Um, this is not a problem. This is just being a little camera conscious, which all of us are. If today you ask me to speak on, like, put camera in front of me and then speak, I will also stop, remake videos multiple times. And all my friends who also speak excellently good, they also go through the same. It's just about
okay,
seeing yourself. It creates a different consciousness. So
okay,
it is not a determinant of your fluency or of your language skill. You are speaking
mhm.
very fluently here. It does not determine your language skills.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you,
Okay.
thank you, thank you.
All right. So please do not assess your English speaking skills based on recording yourself. It's not very accurate. Hmm?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, sir. But if you make a video and you want to upload a video, what topic will you make the video on?
Generally motivation. Nowadays, I write on some topics like uh, zone means first of all we will in a comfort zone. After that we will go in a fear zone, how to do all these work. And I also create a one topic related to motivation, but it's it's a goes on blank when I make a videos. I only do topic on the motivation and English
Hmm.
speaking.
Mm-hmm. All right. Sir, how about before you make a video, you record your audio?
Audio.
Yeah, record your audio before you record your video. Become more
Okay.
comfortable with it. Yeah.
Okay. And listen that audio.
Listen to the audio. Be comfortable with yourself speaking on that topic. And then later go on to record your video. And maybe even with video, don't usually how we record videos, we put on the selfie camera, right?
Yeah. Yes.
And we can
Yes.
always see ourselves. That is not the good way, sir. Even when actors act, they can never see themselves acting when they're doing it.
Yeah.
Otherwise, they won't be able to do it.
Okay. So instead of self camera, use the back camera for
Back
recording.
camera. Just place it, set the frame, See if you're coming in the frame, put it there and you do your thing as if you're telling to people, not to camera, but to people, and then see what comes out.
Yes, yes. Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah, yeah. Yes, it will not happen on a first day. There will be lots of mistakes and retake also happen, and
yeah,
one day
absolutely.
it will be perfect. Okay, thank you.
But then one
I
day
will
it
do
will
it.
one at after few attempts it will be perfect. That is why first you're recording your audio, then you're recording video, then you can make changes in the video later.
Yes.
Or maybe record certain parts of video. Don't re-record the whole video. Record certain parts again and then edit them, club them together. Yeah.
Okay. Yes, yes. Okay, ma'am. What are you doing now? Right now, because I think you are studying in a history about history,
No, sir, no, not history. I'm studying psychology.
psychology. But in a previous lecture when we met that time you told me that I think you were studied historical places. That's why you know Ajanta and like that.
I would have said the political science because I've also studied political science.
Oh, okay.
Yes,
Now
political science is.
you are studying psychology.
I am about to finish my degree in psychology. My master's will be finished in a few months, in a span of
Human
one,
human
2 months.
human human psychology.
Human psychology, yes. I mean, political,
Okay.
social, political psychology, all of it.
Okay. Means you have a control. Means you will see the person and you will identify what goes in in his mind. So it is possible
I
to.
can, yes, I can try to do that with my
Oh,
education. But for that, I'll have to talk to the person a lot, understand them, know about them.
okay.
So it's not like at instant I will not. I can make assumptions, but then assumptions are not very solid.
Yes. And what you studied in a psychology mainly it is a interested topic or uh, any means job means
So we
it
study a
takes
lot of
more
subjects.
years. Okay. My son was coming, and I told it come with book.
It's okay if you can't find it, sir. It's okay. You told me the name. No, no, it's fine, sir. If you can't find it, it's okay because you've told me the name. Yes.
Yes,
But
yes.
we study different things,
But
sir. Like
okay,
social psychology, positive psychology, cognitive psychology, different, like full psychology we study.
okay. Because when I was in college, at that time I had a choice of three subjects. One was the economics, second psychology, and third was the English. But there was a problem with I was irregular. Means I was in a Jalgaon and my college was out of. So they refused to me because they told me that if you want to take one of these subjects for specialization, you need to come on daily basis in the college, and it was not possible for me. So they suggest me to go with Marathi. So
Uh,
I
no, no,
lost
sir.
it.
It's okay. I mean, psychology is a subject that you can study without degree also. You can pick it up and like the books that you're reading, they also talk about human psychology, I'm sure.
Yes, 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 yes.
But I mean,
It
I
is
have been studying it for 2 years. So everything in the subject I've studied.
Raude. Next time, Raude. Okay.
Next time, yeah. But do thank him. He ran up and down so much for this. Definitely thank him from my side.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, sir. But I think our sessions also reached its end. You speak fluently, sir. There was only one grammatical mistake which I corrected you for. One of the friends. There was no other
Yes,
mistake. You spoke very fluently. Great job, sir.
thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you. Yes,
All
thank
right
you.
then, sir. Hope to see you soon. Have a great day. Bye.
Thank you,
Do
ma'am.
tell
Bye.
me how the
Thank
video thing goes. If you do it, do tell me later.
you. Okay, ma'am. Definitely, definitely. Okay,
Okay.
bye.
Bye.